Hello folks, my name is Harrison. I'm a PM in the reporting space, and I want to give a quick demo of the AI report generation that will be coming out around Inbound. So, starting from a dashboard, really the way we would get into this flow is anywhere that you're creating a report. So I'm going to click Add Report, Create Report, and you're going to see this is a little bit different already. So what we're looking to do to help people understand kind of where are they headed as a part of this is going to be just separating things out and making it really clear if you're creating from a template, if you're creating from scratch, or if you're going to be generating the report using AI. Now, one thing I do want to be clear is we're still in construction here, so you're going to see some things that don't look exactly the same. I'm going to have to do a little bit of movie magic, but the general flow here is going to be identical as we think about this. So don't put too much stock in some of these, like the specific copy here, but that's kind of how it's working. So again, we'll say, how do you want to get started? Obviously, you could create from a template, create from scratch, with any of the builders, and then we'll have this new generate single object report using AI. Now, single object piece is just kind of any report you could build in the single object builder is something you can build with AI in the first iteration. Obviously, we'll need to kind of agree to some terms here, and then we'll get dropped on the screen. Again, we'll have some more content here. But what we'd be able to do is we could, put in a question like which salesperson won the most deals this year. I'll click generate, and then behind the scenes, what will happen is we'll move to a space that looks a little like this. Again, still a little early days, so some things changing and shifting here. But what you'll end up seeing happen will be we'll take this question and we'll end up building a report. So pretty simple. We can also take, that was a pretty generalized question. We could be really prescriptive here and say, hey, which salesperson created the most deals last quarter as a bar chart. And so, as you can see, it's kind of thinking through that, and it creates that place for us where it just builds that single object report. What's really important about this is something that is savable, customizable, so you can take this into the builder, you can play with your filters here. Another fun feature that we do have that'll kind of come alongside this is going to be when you go to save this report, or really any report from any builder, you will now have the ability to also use AI to help you generate a description of that report. So something really simple, easy. The whole goal here is to help people get started easier. So this isn't something we're expecting to go 0 to 100. This is really a space we want to allow users to come in, take a question, and just get started with an easy report. We'll do it one more time. Let's go with a little more of a subjective question, like which salesperson is performing the best this year. In this case, let's see what it gives us. All right, looks like it went for deal values. Yep, yeah, deal revenue. So we can see this is some test data, so Harminder is absolutely crushing it. But again, I'd be able to save this to a dashboard. I'd be able to go off and say, save it to a dashboard, be able to go off and customize it in the builder, also be able to have the same interactions you would on a dashboard here. So hope this is helpful. Thanks.